What's up guys, it's Jacob with Level 7 Trading here, back with another video. Before we get into it, I have two announcements. If you can't tell already, I got a new mic, so the audio is probably a lot better than the last video. Also, we hit a little milestone. We got 10 subscribers. It's not much at the moment, but hey, every subscriber counts and we're just gonna keep growing from here. Alright, so to get into the video, I'm gonna be going over some charting tools I use. Then I'm gonna show you some technical analysis on SPY, Tesla, and Amazon. And then we're gonna come up with a trading plan for Tesla and Amazon together. So that's what we're gonna be going over in the video. Alright, so let's check out some charting tools. So the two charting tools I use most of the time are the trend lines and price levels. So let me show you how the price level works. So you're gonna click on this bottom tool menu, and then these are the two tools that I use. This is the price level, trend line. Just click on the tool you want to use. For price level, you click once, click twice, then boom, you have a price level. And to get it to look the way I have it set up, edit properties. I have the left extension off. I have the color as white, the style as this kind of dotted line, and I have the width as 1. This is all personal preference. You can have it however you want. I do recommend that you keep the right extension on no matter what you really have. But yeah, make sure you have it the way you like, and then save as default to make sure that it automatically uses these settings when you use any price levels in the future. So let me remove this. Then I'm going to show you trend line. Basically similar to price level, but you can set it up to any angle that you want. So there it is. Again, edit properties. You can edit the style, width, color. Same thing. Make sure you have it the way you like. I recommend keeping the right extension on. Alright, I'm going to remove this. Alright, so that's basically the chart tools that I use. Now let's get into actually using them to do some technical analysis. So on SPY, you're going to want to start from the biggest time frame. So this is 3-year weekly. So that means this entire chart represents 3 years, and each candlestick represents a week. So I'm going to start with the price levels, and you want to make a price level where you basically see reversals in price, where you see kind of a theme of price getting rejected, or price supported, or where price is holding a support level. Those are all things you're looking for. Okay, so now I'm on this time frame. I don't see much left, so I'm gonna just go into a smaller time frame. This is 1 year daily. 1 year daily. So same thing, create those levels. You're gonna, as you go into more detailed charts, meaning as you go into the smaller time frames, you're gonna start seeing more lines that you could create that you couldn't really see beforehand. Now we're gonna go into the 180 day 4 hour. this is the 20-day. I don't like being less than like 30 days on my time interval, so yeah. So that's about it. One tip I would give is you don't want to have a billion lines here. You just want what's necessary. The reason being is having way too many lines is just gonna create too much noise on your charts. They're not gonna be readable. They're not gonna be practical. They're not gonna give you any plays that are gonna actually make you money. So make sure that you don't put too many lines on your graph. Reading this, reading this, the way I'm looking at it right now is if we see price go below this 416 level, or this one 415.97, basically 416. If we see price dip below that in the morning, we're gonna see a decent sized dump, probably to at least this level, for around 414. But I'd say if we go above 417 tomorrow as well, I'm bullish on SPY. So it's good to look at both ways and see how price moves. How you're gonna. It's good to plan how you're gonna react when price moves. So yeah, when this breaks 416, I'm bullish or bearish. When this breaks 417, I'm bullish. Now I know I didn't create a line here, but I could kind of just see some, for example, in the morning, besides this time, we didn't really break 417, and it was rejected like here, which is before 417. So I think if we break 417 this time around, we're going to see a little bit of a bullish run. I'm not going to be trading SPY. I just like to look at SPY as a frame of reference while I'm trading. I think it's good practice to double check SPY as you're trading, just so that let's say you want to get some Amazon calls, some Tesla calls, and you see SPY dumping. You may not want to buy those calls anymore because you might just be getting faked out, and yeah, that's pretty much it. You might get faked out, so it's good to double check SPY, especially when you're trading something that's affected by SPY. So that's my SPY technical analysis. Let's take a look at Tesla. So okay, let me clear this. And same thing, we're gonna go on the bigger time frames. This is important to capture those bigger patterns, those patterns that repeat over a longer course of time, because those tend to repeat themselves more often. Alright, let's go into the daily. Alright, 4 hour. What is going on here? Oh, I do have a line there. Okay. Alright, let's just do 1 hour. Yeah, I think that's good. Let me just. I noticed this giant triangle. So this is where I'm going to use the trend lines here. I notice this. So one thing to keep in mind with Tesla is you can see at the bottom here that they have earnings on Monday after market. So keep in mind the premiums on Tesla are going to be insanely inflated. Price action is going to be a little bit wild, unpredictable even. So I'd definitely be careful trading Tesla, but you could also look at earnings as a catalyst for maybe a big move. So it goes both ways. Earnings add risk, but earnings add, potential for catching a big move. All right, so again, we have this big triangle. If we see SPY bullish, I'm gonna have SPY here, just for some reference. While I'm referencing SPY, I could just pull up SPY. Okay. So again, we have these two markers where SPY is going to be bullish here, or SPY is going to be bearish after breaking this price level. So if SPY is bullish and we see some green volume in Tesla, I'm bullish in the morning to 7:45 right at open. If I see any green, if I see green building up like kind of like this, if it looks like, let's see, like if it looks like this in the morning, like I'm buying calls. Here, let me get another one to show. If it looks like if it looks like this, man, like come on, I'm getting calls all day. And my first target is going to be 7:45. That is very conservative. That's a very conservative target. And then if it runs past that, or if I decide, hey, let me risk it for the biscuit, I'm holding till 760. On the flip side, if SPY is bearish, if it breaks below this 416 level, and on Tesla, if we break this 720 level, I'm going to be bearish. Because if you see here, this is one price level I forgot to add. If we break below 720, yeah, my profit target, and my one and only profit target is going to be 710, or even honestly maybe even 700. That's my second profit target. 700, 710, then 700. And what I'm looking for is SPY to be bearish, to break below this 416 level. I'm looking for SPY to break below this level, 721. and I'm looking for red volume, like a buildup of red volume, something like this. Okay, let me show you on the 5-minute just so that you can kind of see what it would look like the day of. Something like this, and I'm buying puts. Yeah, volume like this, and I'm buying puts. Okay. So again, 745 or 760 if SPY's bullish, and I see green volume. And then I'm buying puts if SPY's bearish and 720 breaks with red volume, or 721. This general price level. Okay, now I have Amazon. Let me clear. Same thing as before, starting on that 3-year weekly, and just plop those support and resistance lines away. And keep in mind, you know, you really only have to chart this general area, because realistically, whatever's down here, you won't have to worry about this this area for a while. You know, Amazon's not gonna drop to 1,400 in a day, so just keep that in mind. If you're short on time, I'd say don't worry about this. Don't worry about setting price levels that are super far away. It's just a little bit unnecessary. Okay. 4 hour. I don't feel like adding anything here. One thing I do see though, let me pull out my trend lines, is a bull flag. Big pull, and this is the flag. That's a bull flag right there. So automatically this is a bullish price action pattern. So, you know, naturally I hope for this to break above this trend line. So with that being said, for me to buy calls on this, wait, whoa, I did not know that they had it. What's the date? Oh shit. Dude, Amazon has earnings as well. Wow. I did not know that, to be honest. Well shoot, it looks like Amazon and Tesla have earnings this week. Wow. So it's gonna be on Thursday, I think, aftermarket, just so that you're aware of it. So going back to how I'm gonna trade Amazon is if SPY is bullish again, 417 break and green volume here, that's where I'm bullish on SPY, and I see some green volume on Amazon. I'm gonna buy some calls, and my price target would be 3,425. That is if this trend line breaks as well. I am bullish on SPY if we cross below this. You see how it creates, like, there's been a little bit of this consistent support line here where it's been held 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So if that breaks and I see SPY's bearish, I see red volume, my price target is 3,000. This is my price target right here. I'll take profits here. Oh shoot. I'll take profits here. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm using the wrong tool. Okay, I'm taking profits at 3,280 if this level breaks. That's not gonna be my first profit target. If I'm feeling extra ballsy, I'm gonna hold all the way to 3,250. Again, you could see on the bigger picture, but I think this is a good play. Again, bull flag here. If this bull flag breaks, SPY is bullish. Amazon has green volume, buying calls. Profit target is 3,425. That's being pretty conservative. I'd say you could probably try to hold till higher if that's how you're feeling. That's completely up to you. These are pretty safe profit targets, though, I will say. On the flip side, to repeat again, if SPY is bearish, if there's red volume in Amazon, and if this 3,303 level breaks, I'm looking for Amazon to hit 3,280, and then my second price target would be 3,250. Again, this 3,280 is pretty safe, so that's why I'm saying it's my first profit target. I'd say you definitely want to trim or take profits by that mark before it hits 3,250. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, so listen to these plays at your own risk. I'm just speaking from my own experience. If you stuck around to the end of this video, I appreciate you. I appreciate the support. Shout out to my 11 subscribers. If you found these plays to be helpful, make sure you share, like, comment. It's greatly appreciated. It would help a lot. And I hope I see you at the next video. Peace.